Ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to see you all. Okay, now my friend and I will give a presentation about how to give and respond the criticism properly and correctly. But before that, let me introduce myself and my partner. I'm Feby Sapati Manatin and my partner is Grace Leary. Now we will explain about how to give and respond to the criticism properly and correctly. Our presentation is divided into three parts. First, definition of criticism. The second, how to convey criticism properly and correctly. And the third, tips for making criticism as life motivation. Definition of criticism. The definition of criticism is a process for analyzing and evaluating something with the aim of increasing understanding, contributing to, or expanding appreciation to improve the work. How to convey criticism properly and correctly? A. Listen carefully from beginning to end, so that the criticism and suggestion given can be constructive and right on the target. B. The language used is polite and polite. For example, or you can use the following sentence. It will help you more in your presentation if your image is clear and more detailed so that we who are listening will find it easier to understand. C. True facts follow. For example, in the above situation that the picture present on the PowerPoint is too small so that the students who are listening have difficulty seeing the picture that is described. D. Give a way out. For example, in the above situation, the presenter was given criticism and suggestion by a student in the form of it will help you more in your presentation if your picture is clearer and more detailed, so that we who are listening will understand it easier.
Tips for making criticism as a life motivation. The first, be patient and calm when receiving criticism. You must be patient and calm when receiving criticism, because if you don't want to listen to criticism and comments from another people, that actually indicates that you don't want to progress and get better. Forward-thinking people are always hungry for input from others. The second, don't feel attacked. Don't feel attacked or defensive, but use criticism as a piece of information that can strengthen and improve your performance. The third, keep trying to see the bright side. If you keep your mind open, then you may suddenly find a solution to every problem. The point is, don't always see criticism as something negative, but always see criticism as an opportunity to grow and accept it gracefully. The fourth, don't get offended easily. Don't take it easy if you are criticized. Being criticized is not always fun. You have to be patient with and make a criticism as a challenge so that you become better. And the last, make improvements or change. If you feel the criticism that is leveled is true, then make correction immediately. Don't be silent. Prove to them that you are a good worker. Before we finish, I would just like to sum up. The first, when we want to give criticism to others, let us give constructive criticism for that person and make that person make change for the better. And the second, if you get a criticism that makes us down and we immediately feel offended, disappointed, and so on, that you will the loser, start thinking about the criticism is a positive like. You really need criticism because criticism often provides new, unexpected ideas. So keep up the spirit and never give up. So that's all we have time for today. Are there any questions? Thank you for coming today and thank you for attention.